Hi, I'm Jim Barnaby. Welcome to the Cheap Solar and Off-Grid Living channel. You might recognize me from my friend Bob Wells' channel, Cheap RV Living. You might know me as Jim in Denver on his forum, solar forums and RV forums. You might even recognize me from the RTR where I give talks on solar, mobile internet, and solar cooking. I've been shooting with Bob for over a year, and with his guidance and insistence have decided to start my own channel. I've been boondocking in the Rocky Mountains for over 30 years, and in the last year and a half I've been out in the desert Southwest. I've been running solar power for 5 years, solar cooking for 4 years, and setting up mobile internet for 3 years. Why am I here? Well, I have a passion to teach and make all of this understandable. I hope to show you what I do, how I do it, what I use. I hope to review new products and new techniques. I'm very new at this. I don't know YouTube, I don't know video, I don't know editing, and I'm certainly not a public speaker. So bear with me. We're going to go through this process together. This is my 2011 Amerilite Ultralight. It's been lifted to go down 4x4 trails. I pull it with a 2003 Expedition. All in all, I have 1185 watts of solar, 675 amp hours of battery, and 3 Lifeline 8Ds. With that power, I run an air conditioner off of solar, 2-burner electric hot plate, an electric water heater, an internet booster, computers, hotspots. All in all, I use at least 200 to 300 amp hours of power a day. That's the equivalent of 4 6-volt batteries. My internet plan gives me unlimited data on all 4 carriers, and I pay $56 a month. I use 5 solar cookers. I can cook anything you can think of, but deep fry and fry. If you want something cooked, tell me. I'll figure out how to do it. The trailer provides for me for a month at a time. I don't have to go into town for water, food, dump tanks. I can be out in the boonies for a month. It's wonderful. It's quiet. It's beautiful out here. Of course, I have a wonderful little dog named Max. So please, like my videos, subscribe to my channel, join me. I look forward to going through this process together. Thanks.